Hello and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer, and in today's off-page SEO, backlinking for SEO video, I'm going to show you how to create a ultra powerful DA93 backlink, but not one, not two, but three separate backlinks. And they will come in the form of this. I'm going to save the best link for last, so please stick with me until the end. So the very first link I'm going to show you is going to be a profile link on a DA93 website. Then I will show you how to create an image link that is super powerful. And then on top of that, to put the cherry on top, I'm going to show you how to create a contextual guest post on a DA93 website called IBM. So let's just not waste any time and get right into it. So the very first thing that you will need to do is you're going to need to go to www.ibm.com/community. Now, after you sign up with your email, you will be presented with this screen. So let's go right to it. So you're going to go over here to the right-hand corner. I'm going to start with the profile link that is a do follow. These are all do follow. Yes, they're all contextual and they can be indexed. So this is going to be the first one. You're going to click on the contact details, and then you could put in some information if you would like. Now, where you're going to want to put your website is right here. Now, this is a do follow. And just so there's not any confusion, I have my Moz bar installed up here. If I click on the Moz bar, as we can see here, the followed links are going to be green. And here is a do follow link to my website. Let's move on. And please stick with me because I'm going to show you some little tips and tricks that you can do. Now, you can add, here's what's really great. Here's an image link. All right. So we're going to click on change picture. Now, I've taken the liberty to go ahead and open this up. So we're going to copy my image link. We're going to head back over. We're going to go to link URL. And put in, it's going to load. Absolutely wonderful. All right. So that's going to be an image link. All right. So now we have created two off-page backlinks that are ultra powerful, but I have saved the best for last. Now, if you've made it with me this far, wonderful, and you deserve to know how to build this very powerful link. So I have taken the liberty, and let me show you a couple caveats that you can do to make this even more powerful. Now, like I've said in other videos, this has been tested, it's tried and true. If you have a link going to the same page from another page, if I have a link coming from this IBM page, okay, now I have one page going to my about, I have one link going to my about page. I have another backlink going to my contact page. I have another backlink going to my home page. It is passing a bump to each and every one of those pages. So I would diversify the amount of links and the links that you're sending out to different pages. But let me show you this best link for this site. So I've taken the liberty of creating this absolutely exquisite masterpiece all about myself. So this is roughly about 750 words. Now, I've tried all of these, but if you click on where it says bio, a box is going to pop up like this. This is absolutely stunning. And this is where you're going to create what I would call a guest post on a DA93 website. So after this is created, we're going to go ahead and make this strong. To send a link here. Generally, the links at the top hold a little bit more weight. So now here's where it gets really fun. Now, if you've made it with me this far, let me go ahead and show you a couple little tricks here. So here's what I would do. Now, down the bottom, what I would create is a citation of sorts. Okay, so I would fill out my address. We have my name, So what I would do is I would head on out to my GMB listing, and as you know, Google absolutely adores itself, as it should. So what I would do, or maybe propose to just an added benefit, go over here and grab your share link, and we're going to insert our share link into the bottom of this page, making a citation out of this guest post. So it's down at the bottom. Now you can add photos. I mean, that's going to be really up to you. So you can really get fun with this. The very last thing, let me just show you the last piece. And I have no problem pointing an IBM link at my website. I would point it right at the site. I've created the guest post. We have created a citation. It's a DA93. This is for your off-page SEO. Now, the very last piece of this, in my opinion, all right, the very last thing that I would do, I would fill out everything, but we've added the image link. We have the profile link, and then we have created this absolute masterpiece here, all right? We have created the citation, and remember, Google has stated in the past that they crawl and they see every mention of it, whether it's in any type of form or fashion. So I just want to let you know, I mean, you can make a citation almost anywhere as a backlink. So with that being said, what I would then do, now, the very last piece is my account. Go to privacy. Let me make sure that this is public. I mean, I would probably go through and everything that I've added. Oh, let's make that public. I would go ahead and make public. Go back to the profile. Take this. Let's open it right to the bio screen. This is where we want to go. So now we know to get the link that we want, that we're going to send other links to an index, is going to be found under the My Account tab. Okay, so then the very next thing that I would do is I would head over to Twitter. You could send other backlinks, tier 2 backlinks, or you can link build off page anywhere. But always add a tweet. It would really help things get moving along. We're going to go ahead and put that in there too. All right, now we're going to tweet that out. Really, what we have covered is I have shown you how to create a backlink. It's a 93 DA rating. Now, we have gone ahead and created a profile link, which is sitting on its own page. We have created an image link, and then I've showed you an ultra powerful way to not only create a guest post of sorts, but get multiple IBM links that are DA93. And I showed you, and I taught you, hopefully, how to create yet another citation. This has been absolutely wonderful. I'm glad that I could show this to you, but it has simply been an appetizer to my next video. Share this video, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO, digital marketing, social media, internet marketing video. Have a wonderful day.